Model, 2019 Vauxhall Combo 23001.3 Cdti S factory crew cab none runner no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118,727. MOT, the 11th of March 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 Cdti 95 PSE6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized, possible timing chain jammed. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat N in 2020. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.